Hey everybody, this is 2025 Michael here. About 2 days away from New Year's. Past 5 years of my life have been tumultuous. Ever since 2020 happened, my life was turned upside down. I lost many people that I loved. I lost my really good job at the time. And ever since then, I've been struggling. And every day has been a struggle. The past 5 years of my life, it felt like 10 years. This year I lost my best friend, like right in front of my eyes. Like I tried to save her life. When she got to the hospital, she couldn't get revived, and that traumatized me for a very long time. I'm still grieving. It's been months since it happened, but it still feels like yesterday. I almost lost my car because I couldn't pay my bills because I've been having such a hard time getting employment. And I just now finally got a really good job that I'm starting. And I'm so excited to finally be able to make money again and get back on my feet for not just me, but for my child. And I started dating a new girl who's like the love of my life. Like, she's incredible. And I've got to step it up for not only my son, but for her family as well. Like, all of us, we're all part of a family. And this year is going to be fantastic. I'm finally to the point to where I can make things happen. For so long, I was traumatized from everything that happened in my life that I stopped doing YouTube content. I stopped doing anything creative, really. I even stopped reading, which is an odd thing to say, but my creative mind was just dead because all I could think of was survival, just trying to make it to the next day. At one point, I was homeless for like 3 weeks. Uh, got out of that real quick, thank God. Um, yeah, it's been tumultuous. I even talked to my best friend about it before she passed away. She motivated me to get this camera. She motivated me to get back into YouTube. And then she passed away. Then I lost all that creative energy again. But the more I thought about it and the more I dwelled on it, I realized I should honor her by just sucking it up and making the dream happen. So I'm starting today to do my YouTube channel and stick with it and be consistent once again. Because that consistency has just dropped off the face of the planet the past 5 years. Things are going to be a little different. I'm still going to do spooky things and go to spooky places, but it's going to be different. It's going to be more like a travel vlog, and I'm going to really cool places. I'm going to be going to Florida in February. I'm going to a convention in February as well. Going to a concert in April. That's pretty exciting. Gonna go see Pucifer. Will it be great? Probably not, but got to see Maynard, right? Got to see Maynard. I'm weird. But anyway, yeah, I'm going to do daily vlogs, I believe. Maybe not every day, but, it's going to be more consistent. Going to be doing lots more videos. And I'm going to come back to this video, hopefully, in the future and be just to see where I come from, to where I end up. And hopefully, if somebody watches this in the future, they can make that comparison. Because I kind of doubt anybody's going to watch this now. But if you do, thank you. If you've made it this far, especially, thank you, because it's 4 minutes long. Some random stranger on the internet is spilling out his woes to the world. But I made a commitment to myself to put the past behind me and push forward and make it as positive as can be and make a change. I think it's time. It's time to honor my friend and get this done. And just do it. Make the dream happen. Make it come alive. I even started writing my book that I've been putting off for so many years. So many years. Ever since I was in high school. I'm 41. Did I already say that? I don't know. But anyway, I made this video like 3 or 4 times, so I don't know what I said. But anyway, I'm writing the book, and she also motivated me to write that book, so I'm going to finish that book. I've been doing 2,000 words a day, and I'll be done with it before you know it. And I'm excited to share that with the world, and I hope people love it. And it'll be funny if anybody reads that book and loves it and they come back and watch this video, because this is the video. This is the lowest point. This is the turning point in my life. This is where things are going to change. This is pre-author Michael. This is pre-YouTube guy Michael. Because I have not put any effort into this channel for so long, and I miss it so much. I miss getting comments and everything. It was always fun, the interaction and everything, and getting to film, which has just been gone. And that creative outlet has made me depressed, and I've got to bring it back. I got to do it. So hopefully you guys stick with me if you're any new viewers. And even if you haven't watched this video, that's fine. Maybe I'll see you down the road. But here's me now, and there's going to be me later. I'm going to be a completely different person in a way better place. So 2025, I'm sorry. 2025, you can kiss my ass. Get out of my face. I'm out of here. Next year is going to be my year. I know that's cliche to say, but it's going to be my year. It's going to be the year that changes my life.